In this video, we'll be showing you how we change the battery on our Nissan's key fob. If the fob that you have is different than this one, I would recommend doing some research on how to change out the battery. The first thing we're going to do is flip it upside down. Now we need to remove the physical key. To do that, we can push up on this little tab and it should slide right out. We'll go ahead and set that key to the side for now. Alright, once it's removed, now you're going to want to take the fob and look at the side where you just removed the key. There's going to be two little tiny grooves on either side of it. And you can take a small screwdriver and very, very gently just push it into those grooves and then twist it a little bit. Don't twist very hard, you just want to twist it to where it can pop the case free and allow you to pull it apart. So once you've done that and it clicks a little bit, then you should be able to grab both sides and pull the fob apart. Now it's very important that you do not touch the circuit board. If you do touch it, it can damage it and completely destroy the key fob. So set that aside without touching the circuit. Okay, now to get the battery out, we're going to take our screwdriver again, and you'll find a little notch where you can insert the flathead screwdriver. You can just simply stick it under and push it up and it should come free. Once the battery is free from the casing, you can then take a look to see what type of battery your fob is going to require. This model of fob requires the CR2032 battery. If that is the same battery in your fob and you would like to pick it up, I will be leaving an affiliate link down in the description to where you can pick it up off of Amazon. If you do decide to purchase it there, we will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Taking our new battery, inserting it is very simple. You just want to make sure that the positive side is going down against the plastic. When you begin to insert it, you will notice that there is a little spring on the ring that holds the battery. Simply take the battery, putting the positive side down, slide it into that spring, and it should click into place relatively easily. Once that has been done, being very careful not to touch the circuit board, take both sides of the key fob and push them back together into their original spots. Now you'll want to push them until you hear them click, and once that's been completed, go ahead and take that physical key and slide it back in. There you have it. If this video was helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could like and subscribe.